Hello and welcome to another wild day in Iceland. It is incredibly windy today, so I'm filming in the car to start with. But I'm at Dynjandi today, which is an absolutely spectacular waterfall. I can see out of the window of the car. It's a series of like cascading waterfalls where the top one is this huge like bulb-shaped falls out in the Westfjords. So this is a 250-kilometre detour each way from the ring road. Yet despite this, there's about 20 cars here, which shows you how amazing this place is. When I said it was windy, I mean that up the hill I tried to stop for a photo and the door nearly blew off its hinges. So we'll see how much talking actually gets picked up by the camera. So that's why I'm introducing the video in the car, but looking forward to exploring the falls because it looks spectacular. So this trail just leads basically up past all these little cascades and then ends up right below the big boy up there. Let's do it. Even the views away from the falls are brilliant. So as we go up, there's going to be lots of these little waterfalls. They all have little signs. The first one is Waterfalls. And essentially they're all kind of a part of Dynjandi as one big collective waterfall. Split waterfall here. Beautiful waterfalls now in late September all around. Really adds to the scene. Waterfalls. Next up, slightly larger ball this one. Powerful little chute. Start to get a bit of elevation, the views of the valley just improve. Or fjord, I should say. It's like being back in Norway here. Approaching the impressive strong frost. Definitely the best of the medium falls. Serious spray. Bit of a fork in the road. It's just such a special place, this. It's a 250-kilometre detour each way, and it's definitely worth it. Last of the intermediate falls, Waterfalls. They don't make some of these names easy. Right underneath the big boy. Well, made it to Dynjandi. Nothing I can say can describe how spectacular this is, so I'm just going to show you. Right, on the way back to the car now. Still got the falls behind me there. To be honest, I feel like I haven't really talked much this video, and it's mostly just because the scenery really just speaks for itself. Just an absolutely spectacular area. It's also been quite windy, and it's a very easy walk, to be honest. It's the difficulty with this place actually getting here. 250-kilometre drive off the ring road is a long way, but once you're here, very straightforward. Only half an hour really, but you want to spend 2 or 3 hours just enjoying the place. But yeah, that's it from here. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.